Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing and swatching video. Today we'll be unboxing the HIMI Watercolour Tube Set. 12 rich shades packed in 12 ml tubes. The box feels sturdy and compact, making it travel friendly for artists on the go. Each tube is clearly labeled with the color name, super helpful when picking colors during a project. And with regard to the consistency, they are smooth, creamy and just the right flow, not too watery, not too thick. What is exactly what you want in a quality watercolor. Time to swatch these shades and see how they perform on paper. Starting with titanium white, which is soft and subtle, ideal for mixing and lighting tones. Shell pink, such a delicate rosy tint. Pink petal, sunset and blush tones. Lemon yellow is super vibrant and punchy. This one instantly lifts a painting. The primrose, a richer golden yellow that warms things up beautifully. Next row has medium yellow, a classic yellow that feels bold and balanced. The Oriental Red, now that's intense, a powerful red with great coverage. The yellow green feels light, fresh and perfect for spring vibes. The phthalo green is deep, cool and dramatic, great for shadows or forest tones. The last row we have burnt umber, which is earthy and rich. This one's made for tree bark, soil and vintage tones. The turquoise blue, wow, this one's bright and breezy. Think ocean waves and summer skies. Violet is dreamy and soft, it blends like a charm and layers well. And finally black, which is strong and opaque, just a touch of water gives you a perfect gradient. All 12 shades hold their own. The pigment is impressive, they spread beautifully and rewetting is easy. The HIMI 12 ml tubes are a colorful win, vibrant, portable and super fun to work with. Thank you so much for watching.